As per your doubt in type 1, question 2, I will solve this and see how and what is coming as well. So in this you have asked, in this option C is a conclusion but option E not. Can please explain on what basis you say that, as I didn't get it. So you didn't get how E came as the option, the conclusion in the question. So E is some inners or surfaces. So we'll say we need to tag all statement 2, which is all surfaces are volume. Just write that. This will be tick cross because all surfaces are volume and no volume is an inner. No volume is an inner, right? Tick tick. So we are checking option E as you said, but option E is not following. So can please explain on what basis did I say that? So why E is not following? So these two are there. Once it is distributed, correct, rule number what generally I check, and in this no is there, so no should appear in the conclusion as well, right? So we are getting S and I tick tick, right? So what combination is this? In this you can say no S is I, so no surfaces are inner, and you can say no inners are surfaces. Anyway you can say that. Now option E says some inners are surfaces. You can as well directly eliminate all these, because as the basic rule says, when no is there in the statement, no should come in the conclusion as well. So there is no need to check even all and do all these tick cross, because in the option in the conclusion which is given, some inners are, some I are surfaces, it doesn't have no is not there in this. So anyway this cannot happen, whatever be the conclusion or the format. I hope this is clear, and I have told you what the conclusion can generally come with tick tick. It will be no S is I or no IAS, that will come, and no is as coming according to the statement. This should be there and E should cannot be there. So I hope the doubt is clear, and I hope the option C, which is the answer, is clear with you.